guys, it's Alicia with WTI. We are always looking for different products to keep ourselves organized in our workshop, and we really love this one. This is the Extreme Max propane torch or fire extinguisher holder, and this thing is really great, and we actually have several of the Extreme Max products and really love all of them. They are super durable and well made, and this one is no different. So this is made from a lightweight aluminum, and it is really easy to install. There's just a couple of screws that keep it in place, and it definitely feels solid and sturdy. We love that it allows you to not only keep your workshop or your trailer organized, but it also allows you to keep your propane or fire extinguisher bottles upright, and so they are ready for any time that you need them. You can just grab them quickly. They are upright and ready to go. I love the simple and effective design of this holder. So we've been super happy with the quality and the durability of this product, and would definitely recommend it for organizing your space as well. And that's my point of view.